All right, very good. So now, like I said, we just need to do that one step to connect our domain name to our hosting. It might already be connected, but we want to double check that it's working so that you can see your site when you look at your domain name. So in order to do that, you need to go back to your HostGator billing portal. And if you got your domain name along with your hosting from HostGator, you can click on domains up here. And then you're going to see your domain or your domains right here. And so, for example, I could click on Nameservers. You click on the gear. And then it will tell you your Nameservers, which are the tools used to connect the domain and the hosting. What you want to do is make sure that these are the right Nameservers. So how do you know the right Nameservers? Well, HostGator will email you something called your account info. It's an email that'll look like this from sales@hostgator.com. Your email might look a little bit different, but the most important thing here is going to be first name server and second name server. So these will be your name servers, and they will almost definitely be different from NS119 and NS120, unless you got that cozy little space in the server like right next to my website, which could happen, but they'll probably be different. So whatever they are, you want to make sure that you have them written in your billing portal right here. Nameserver 1 goes up here, and Nameserver 2 goes here, right beneath it. You just click change, write them in, make sure to get the NS and the dot and then the other .com, and then just save it. All right, and then it's gonna say, cool, you did it, and you're gonna have your domain name connected to your hosting. So that's kind of redundant if you got your domain name from HostGator. They might already be perfect. I just like to show you where this is. Now, if you got your domain name somewhere like GoDaddy, you definitely have to do this name server step, and that'll just look like what I'll show you right now. So I don't want to lose anyone. I know a lot of WordPress tutorials just skip this and make you figure it out, but I have been down this route and it's very confusing, and I wish someone would show me how to do it. So if you got your domain name at GoDaddy or somewhere else, you just have to find your domain name at GoDaddy. So let's say we use CanCats. Again, I don't know what I was thinking here. I have all these domain names, but you're just going to click DNS, and then it'll say Nameservers, and you want to click change. And then it'll say default, you want to make it custom, and then you're going to write in again the first one with all the periods and all the spaces and stuff. Actually, no spaces, just ns blah 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 .hostgator.com, and then save it. Perfect. After which you'll have to wait a little bit of time for your domain to connect to your hosting. Hopefully not too long if you're in a busy city. But what might happen is you might start visiting your website, and you might be like, I just saw my site, and the next time you visit it, you're like, I didn't see it. This is the right window to see, but if you don't see this window, then don't worry. It just means that the web is updating so that it knows where your site is. Now is usually when in all our tutorials we take a break and go get some fresh air, stretch the legs out a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. Might still be able to catch the fish taco joint down the street, we'll see. But either way, it's a really good time to take about a half-an-hour break. So let's do that, and then let's come back, and we are gonna put the /wp-admin after your .com, and hopefully we're gonna pray that we see your WordPress login screen and we can go ahead and make a WordPress website.